Mula sa town proper, prepare yourself for 2 hours of bumpy ride and another 30 minutes of hiking in order to see the beautiful Megulgul Falls.
Mula sa Barangay Hall ng Pita, it took us an hour to come here and another 30 minutes of hiking to go to Megulgul Falls. Let's hike and start the adventure. Sa mga mahilig mag-adventure, perfect talaga tong Megulgul Falls kasi every step of the way you're facing challenges. Literal. Pangasinan is known for its beautiful nature. Pero dito naman sa Infanta, may pinagmamalaking Megulgul Falls. Join me on this journey to witness the wonders of nature in Infanta, where Megulgul Falls and these extraordinary rocks captivate your senses. Welcome to the enchanting world of Megulgul Falls and the unique rock formations. After a long hike, you could even swim here with the fresh water and the cool breeze. Malinaw din ang water niya. Ang tubig na nanggagaling sa Megulgul Falls ay dumadaloy patungong Mabini at Agno, Pangasinan.
Ito po galing po sa pinakamataas na parte dito sa amin. Sa lahat po ng mga gustong pumunta, magpaalam muna sa barangay para alam namin kung safe sila na pumupunta dito. Kaya lahat po ng gustong pumunta sa aming Megulgul Falls, medyo mahirap pero sulit naman pagkadating.
Infanta also boasts a collection of extraordinary rock formations that seem like they were sculpted by the gods themselves. These massive rock structures were nature's raw artistry at its finest.
Ang kwento ng mga matatanda noon, pag buwan ng Mayo, yan ang una na binubuhusan ng ulan. Kaya sa salita ng Ilocano, yung nagugulgul, siya ang unang-unang bundok na ginugulgulan, nauulanan.
Pangasinan has a lot of tourist spots. However, they truly have hidden gems all over the place. Like this. Look at it. It's tourist worthy. On our way to the town, from Megulgul Falls, still here in Barangay Pita, we can see the beautiful view of Infanta and their one and only Balaki Island. Ang ganda lang view.